Hi everyone, today we're diving into the world of self-hosted e-commerce platforms. For those new to the field, self-hosted means you will install the e-commerce on a server of your choice, meaning you don't pay a subscription for a service like Shopify, though you will need a server able to handle your e-commerce. It's often cheaper to have a self-hosted system, especially if you are able to manage it yourself, but the math isn't black or white. That said, let's get started. First, we have WooCommerce, the go-to e-commerce plugin for WordPress users. WooCommerce is highly flexible and customizable, integrating seamlessly with WordPress. If you're familiar with WordPress, you'll find it easy to set up and use. Plus, it leverages WordPress's strong SEO capabilities, which is great for driving traffic to your store. However, WooCommerce can be resource-intensive, especially if you have a lot of plugins and a large product catalog. This can slow down your site. As your store grows, you might face scaling issues and will need to invest in regular maintenance. Next, let's talk about Magento, also known as Adobe Commerce. Magento is a powerhouse, packed with features right out of the box. It's perfect for large and complex online stores and offers extensive customization options. You can manage multiple stores from a single admin interface, and it's highly scalable. But with great power comes complexity. Magento requires significant technical expertise to set up and maintain. It's also resource-intensive, which can lead to higher hosting costs. And while the open-source version is free, the enterprise edition can be quite expensive. Now, let's look at Prestashop. Prestashop is known for being user-friendly and cost-effective. It's easy to set up and offers a wide range of modules and themes for customization. Plus, it supports multiple languages and currencies right out of the box. On the downside, Prestashop may require optimization for better performance with larger product catalogs. While the core software is free, costs can add up with premium modules and themes. It's also less scalable compared to some other platforms, which might be a limitation for very large stores. While the core software is free, costs can add up with premium modules and themes. It's also less scalable compared to some other platforms, which might be a limitation for very large stores. Moving on to OpenCart. OpenCart is simple, lightweight, and easy to use. It's a great option for those who want a straightforward setup without heavy server requirements. It's also cost-effective with many affordable extensions and themes. However, OpenCart has its limitations in terms of customization and advanced features. The quality of available extensions can vary, sometimes requiring additional customization. It may also lack some features needed for larger, more complex stores. Finally, let's discuss OsCommerce. OsCommerce is one of the oldest and most established open-source e-commerce platforms. It's highly customizable with a large community and extensive documentation. But OsCommerce's user interface can feel outdated, and it can be more complex to set up and customize. Regular updates are necessary, and you might face compatibility issues with add-ons. One e-commerce we use but only mention here is Silvershop, the Silverstripe-based e-commerce. Why? Simply because after working intensively on it, we can't recommend it to non-coders, and even for coders the path to make it work is far from straightforward. It's so fast and customizable, but despite the use of Omnipay to integrate payment gateways, we had to write our own Omnipay modules to make it work, as the ones available were not up to date. One of the last comments being, I quote, "There's a fair few gateway packages that really should be marked as abandoned. Doing so is the right thing to do, and should someone come along who has the time to support them in the future, then the flag can be removed." So, which platform is right for you? It all depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and resources. For a small or medium store, we would recommend WooCommerce. For a medium to large store, we would go with Magento. We also try to create stores with Silvershop, but as mentioned before, the payment gateways are not working out of the box, leading us to fall back on WooCommerce and Magento in most cases.